Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Friends, today I'm going to discuss about inner work. As twin flames, we all know we have to do inner work, but we don't know what inner work we have to do. Today I am going to discuss in points what is inner work, and I am going to elaborate it very nicely. So you will have a clarity in mind what inner work you all have to do. So come on, let's start. The first thing you have to do is a good karma in every situation. Even if someone behaves bad or any way with you don't say that or say bad things about that person, because that person has created his own karma. You don't create your bad karma by saying negative things about that person or even thinking bad about that person, because when we think bad or we say bad about anyone, we are creating our karma. Let that person do whatever that person is doing, because the god is there, the karma is there, that person will get his or her karma. So don't say anything bad to that person. In every case you have to say god bless you and have to send love feelings for everyone. This is the very first important thing you have to do. You have to bring these changes in your life. I know it's very difficult to think good about the person who is doing bad to you, but you have to do this, because this is the inner most important inner work. Second thing is you have to do chakra meditation for every day. Every day you have to do chakra meditation in the morning. If in the morning 5 to 6 you do the chakra meditation, is the best time. Every day 30 minutes you have to do all the 7 chakras, and 10 to 20 minutes extra for any chakra if you feel that the chakra have to give extra time to another chakra, any one specific chakra. But chakra meditation is the most and the most important thing in inner work of twin flames. Underline it, it's the most important thing. The third thing is you have to do om chanting every day. Every day you have to do om chanting for 30 minutes. If you are not doing chakras, then om chanting is also very effective to activate your chakras. But even if you are doing chakras, you can do om chanting for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Both you can do simultaneously, and it will help in fast activation of your chakras. Chakra activation is the most important for twin flames. As you come to know about your issues, come to know about your life problems get solved if you do chakra meditation and om chanting. The fourth thing you have to do is pranayam. Compulsory. Everyone has to do pranayam. Which pranayam you have to do? Kapal Bharti, Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, Brastika, and Surya Namaskar if you could do. These 5 things you have to do in pranayam. It's most important, and it's very crucial for your twin flame journey. And Kapal Bharti and Anulom Vilom is so must for your root chakra and for your sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra. And Brahmari is a must for your throat chakra. So you have to do this pranayam. The sixth thing you have to do is Nadi Shodham. If you have heard about it, or Ida Pingla, it's a better version of Anulom Vilom, you can say that. If you all don't know, then please go on YouTube and search on the YouTube about Nadi Shodham or Ida Pingla. You will get how to do it. And it's also very important to balance your masculine and feminine energies. And Shushumna Nadi, you have to do this for balancing your masculine and feminine, inner masculine and feminine energies. The sixth thing you have to do is Ajapa Jap. Ajapa Jap, many people don't know what is Ajapa Jap. Ajapa Jap is like when we breathe in the name of God, whichever God you believe in, Jesus, or Om, Sai Ram, or anyone, and Krishna, anyone you believe, that God's name you have to take while breathing in and breathing out. That is called Ajapa Jap. When we take the name of God without moving our tongue, that is also called Ajapa Jap, and it is very effective. I have myself used this technique, and it's really very effective, Ajapa Jap. The seventh thing you have to do is ancestor prayers. You have to do, you have to pray your ancestors in meditation, because ancestor healing is the most important to move forward in twin flame journey. Sometimes in twin flame journey we are fulfilling the curse of our ancestors. That's why ancestor healing is very important in twin flame journey. Whichever puja you follow for ancestors in your family, please do it. Please do charity in the name of your ancestors. It will reach them and it will help to clear your ancestor karma. This is also very important. Without doing this ancestor karma healing, you can't move ahead in your life in twin flame journey. It's the most important. The next point is you have to forget and forgive everyone in your life who has done bad with you, or who has done very bad with you, either with you or your partner or your family or your relatives, anyone, it can be anyone, even your twin flame who has done bad with you. You have to forget and forgive each and everything. And the most important thing is that you have to forget and forgive yourself. First, you have to forget and forgive yourself. Sometimes we feel guilty for so many things in life, that I have done this, I have done that, and we keep thinking about those things again and again. Unless and until you forget and forgive yourself, you can't forget and forgive other people who has done bad to you. So don't think too much about what others have done. Once you forget and forgive others, your baggage of karma gets reduced and you feel lighter. And just really, I'm telling you, you will feel very light when you will forget and forgive others. This is also very crucial. All the points what I am mentioning here are very important, and all are important. Don't miss anything, because in twin flame journey, as and as you will move ahead, you will have to follow all these things. Because if you were even in one or two things you are doing, further when you will go into journey, you will realize yourself, no, I have to do this also, I have to do that also. That's why I'm telling you, from first only start each and everything what I'm mentioning in my video right now. The next point is when you have to heal all your issues, all your blockages. When you start doing chakra meditation, or a simple meditation, if you don't do chakra meditation, you do meditation for 2 hours or 1 hour in every day, your issues start coming on the surface. You start realizing what are the blockages, like your anger issue, your fear issue, your codependency, or any money blockages. All these issues start coming to the surface. You will get so many triggers in life when you start doing chakras, that you will come to know that, yeah, this is my issue, yeah, this is my issue. You will realize each and every issue will come, and God will keep testing you about how much work you have done on your issues. You have to heal each and every issue of yours, because whatever issue you are having, the same issues your partner, your twin flame is also having, because you are mirror image of each other. So as and when you will heal yourself, your partner will also get automatically healed. So healing your issues is very important. Sometimes a twin flame only will trigger you. He will show you the mirror that, see, this is your problem, this is, you are having this problem, you are having anger issue, you are having jealousy issue. He will trigger you. You have to heal those issues and thank that person whoever triggers you, because you got to know what is your issue and you have got the chance to heal your issues. So don't repeat your mistakes again and again. God will test you, but you have to heal all your issues. The next point is ego. Don't allow your ego to come in your twin flame journey. Your ego will come to surface and you will not realize what is my ego. Again and again you will get triggers and your ego will come to surface. You have to let go your ego, because whatever ego your twin flame is having, that same ego is there within you. Unless and until you heal this issue of your ego, the ego of your partner will also not go. So you have to let go your issue of ego. And the last and the most important point is to surrender to the God. You have to surrender to the universe, that whatever is going to happen in my life is going to happen for the good only. You have to have complete faith in the God, because universe knows what is your soul contract. You have come on this earth with a soul contract from the universe, and whatever is meant for you will happen on this earth. So you have to trust the universe and leave everything on God. Whatever good or bad is going to happen is for good only. So surrender to the God completely. Hope friends, I have made you clear what is the inner work, and please start doing your inner work as soon as possible, because it is very important in twin flame journey. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.